Good day, everyone. I am John Mark Lumabo Imperial from Basic Science 2B. I'm here to share with you my learning experience and knowledge about biochemistry. Let's go! First, let's define what biochemistry is. Biochemistry is simply the chemistry of life. Think of it this way: your body and all living things like animals, plants, even tiny bacteria is like a huge busy factory inside. This factory, thousands of tiny materials and workers are constantly moving and working together to keep you alive, help you grow, and let you do things like run, think, or eat. Yeah, biochemistry is the study of all tiny chemicals and molecules that make up the materials and how they mix, change, and react with each other to make life happen. In the second week, we made a 3D model of animal cells. This model is made of food, so that's why it is edible. So after the reporting, me and my groupmates ate this 3D model. So, ayun, may grades ka na, busog ka pa. An animal cell is like a miniature busy city. It has different parts called organelles, and every part has a special job to do. Keep the cells alive and working. Here, the main parts are the main organelles and their job. First, the cell membrane. It is a soft outer layer. The second is the nucleus, the boss or the control centers. Siya yung nagbibigay ng instruction for everything the cells does. The third is cytoplasm. It is like jelly liquid inside that holds all the parts in place. The fourth is the mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cells, makes energy from food. Fifth is the vacuole. Vacuole stores water and food. Yan. And the third week, yan, ako nga yung naatasan na mag-report ng chromosome condensation. Kung saan nga ay natutunan namin na ito pala ay isang proseso where long the strands of DNA called fold and pack tiny to become short, thick and structured bodies called chromosome. DNA is a long and tangled like loose threads or spaghetti. At this stage, it is called chromatin. It stays way so that can easily read its instruction. Yan, nangyayari ito kapag yung cell is ready to divide or make new cells. Why it happens? Just like packing messy clothes in a tight bundle suitcase, condensation packs DNA neatly. This prevents tangling or breaking, making it easy to move and divide equally between the new cells.